Once your first columns for your braced bay have all possible components attached, you can install your first column. Raise your column into place, aligning the column anchor bracket holes with your previously drilled holes in the concrete slab. Then attach brackets to slab with appropriate wedge anchor bolts as required by engineering plans. Remember to check engineering plans to see whether or not your project will require special inspection while the anchor bolts are installed. Once the wedge anchor bolts are secure, ensure the column is plumb and tighten the column anchor brackets bolts until the individual pieces of steel are brought snug together.